We have finally come to the graduation ceremony, and on behalf of the entire team, I would like to congratulate each one of the participants. Although last 3 months have been very intensive, we are very proud and pleased with all of the pitches we saw tonight. We hope that this experience will help you further in your entrepreneurship journey. And we will now award certificates to each one of you for successfully completing the program and becoming the Innovation Nation Fellows. So starting with our certificates, Faruk Shehic, congratulations, Faruk. Congratulations to Eldar Kepic also. Zerin Ređepović, well done. Osman Azabagić, Nikola Bodulović, Haris Kordić, congratulations. Sara Nuredinovski, Neira Mahić. Next, Esma Dervišević, Neila Mahić, well done. Dina Kurtalić, Vlatka Prusina, Adnan Mustafa Hasanagić, Danis Kavač, Naida Purišević, Lejla Nezirović, Ilma Spahić, Šejla Halilbegović, Selin Oksuz, Ajša Hadžifejzović, Emina Dedić, Nedim Karavdić, Tarik Muratović, Lejla Đanković, Amra Ćatić, Amer Mijemović, Amar Mujkić, Ilhan Nezirić, Tino Burić, Amela Radonja, Mirza Mustafić, Amina Vejselović, Jelena Dragaš, Belma Karahmet, Azra Hadžiemrić, Hana Čeligija, Merijema Džipa, Ajla Šabanac, Emin Hodžić, Denina Šivegović. And finally, we have come to we will now award announce the winning teams. I'm sure this is something we'll be all waiting to hear for the entire night. So although we heard great 12 pitches, we had to choose top 3 that will receive awards tonight. So based on feedback from our investors, and again, I would like to thank to our partners, Mosaic, IEEE Finance in Motion, and their European Fund for Southeastern Europe for the awards. Sorry, I'm just too excited. So starting with we have 3 teams. So please, Elvis, next slide. And starting with with third award, which will receive 2,500 euros, and that is Regbu team. Congratulations. Our second place award, which will receive 3,000 euros, is Moj Pet Pal. Great job, girls. Congratulations. And finally, our first place winners that will receive 4,500 euros is Class Technic team. Congratulations.
Great.